Next one, we are going to do let's work out 22.3. Come to question number 1. It is said solve the following equations. Subpart 7 we are going to do. It is given 12x plus 8 is equals to 7x plus 28. So now this 12x and 7x, these both are variable. So what I am going to do is I am going to separate the constants and the variables together and write them separately. So I am writing in the next step. You will write or over here, or 12x minus 7x. Now writing all the constant terms together, 28 minus 8. So 28 minus 8 is 20 and 12x minus 7x is 5x. So after that you are getting 5x equals to 20. So this is the method you are going to solve the equation. This is the method of solving the equation, that means finding the value of the unknown variable present in the given equation. So let's find out the value of x. So 5x equals to 20. Now x will be equals to what? 5x equals to 20. So x will be 20 by 5. This 5 will go down in the denominator. Okay, that is why it will become 20 by 5, and 20 will get cancelled with 5 and you will get 5 4s are 20. So value of x is equals to 4. Next one, part 8 sorry. Here you have 6 into 7 minus 3x plus 12 is equals to 0. Now see, here you have learned algebraic multiplication. So here 6 into 7 minus 3x, how you are going to do? At first you are going to multiply this 6 with 7, 6 7s are 42, and after that you are going to multiply with 6 with minus 3x. So minus 6 into 3 means 18, that will give you minus 18x. So this is distributive property. Okay, so 6 7s are 42, 42 minus 18x, 42 minus 18x, and plus 12 was already over here. Then in the next step what you will do is you are going to separate the constants and the variables and write them separately. Like here you have this minus 18x, written this minus 18x, and after that 42 plus 12 you will get 54. Then minus 18x is equals to this 54 I am sending on the other side, plus 54 is becoming minus 54. See, minus 54. So you are getting minus 18x is equals to minus 54. Now minus minus is going to cancel from both sides and you will get x equals to 54 by 18. This 18 will go down in the denominator because here 18x means 18 into x. So this 18 will go down in the denominator and you will get 3 after that. Means 18, 3 is a 54. That is why you are getting the value of x as 3. Okay. Now the next sum. Here you have 5 into x plus 3 plus 4 into 2x plus 6. So at first what we will do is 5 into x means 5x, 5 into 3 means 15, again 4 into 2x means 8x, 4 into 6 means 24. So by using the distributive property we have multiplied, and after that you are going to separately add the constants and the variables. Now look at here that 5x plus 8x will give you 13x and 15 plus 24 gives you 39. So 13x equals to this plus 13x will be equals to this plus 39 I am sending on the other side, and it will become minus 39. So 13x equals to minus 39. So after that x will be equals to minus 39 by 13. This 13 will go down in the denominator, means minus 39 by 13 it will become. Then after cancellation we will get 13 3s are 39. 13 if I cancel with 39 I will get 3. So minus 3 is the answer. 13 3s are 39. So x equals to minus 3. Okay. Now next one, sum number 10. Here also same way, at first 3 you have multiplied with 6 and you are getting 18. Then 3 with minus 2x you are getting minus 6x. Now 4 into 1 means 4. Then 4 into minus 5x means minus 20x. Now what you will do is you are going to separate the constants and the variables. As you can see that here this minus 6x is present. Now minus 20x I am taking this side on the left hand side. So what it will become? Plus 20x. Minus 20x became plus 20x. After that plus 4 was already over here. Now this plus 18, when I am taking on them, just exchanging the sides. Then this plus 18 will become minus 18. After that 14x. How 14x? Because plus 20x minus 6x, this means 14x. So 14x you are getting on the left hand side, and on the right hand side 4 minus 18 means minus 14. How? I hope you know these things. 4 minus 18, we put the sign of the greater number minus and we do plus into minus, that is minus, means 18 minus 4, that is 14. After that we are getting minus 14. So 14x equals to minus 14. So x equals to minus 14 by 14. So after that minus 14 by 14 means 14 ones are 14. So that means we will get minus 1. So x equals to minus 1. This is the required solution. Alright. Now next sum number 11. Here the terms are given in fraction, but the method will remain the same. X by 2 minus 2 by 5 is equals to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. So here also we are going to separately write the x terms and separate out the constants together. So x minus 2, this term and this term I am taking it together, x by 2. Now see, this is plus x by 3, and when I am taking it on the other side it will become minus x by 3, which is equals to 1 by 4. Now here we have minus 2 by 5. So when it is changing its side, it will also change its sign. It will become plus 2 by 5. So now in the next step what you will do is simple fractional calculation, that is you are going to take the LCM of 2 and 3, which is 6. Then 2 3s are 6, x into 3 means 3x, 3 2s are 6, x into 2 means 2x. And on this side, right hand side, 4 LCM of 4 and 5 is 20, 4 5s are 20, 1 5s are 5, 5 4s are 20, 2 4s are 8. Then denominator 6 is there, then you have 3x minus 2x, which is equals to x by 6. Then 8 plus 5, that is 13 by 20. So you have x by 6 equals to 13 by 20. Now see, x is in division. When I will change the side, what I will do, this division format, it is going to change its side and become change its side and also become multiply. You are getting 13 by 20 into 6. This 6 will go on top and get multiplied. Then further cancellation has been done. Here 2 3s are 6 and 2 it has been cancelled to 2 3s are 6, 2 10s are 20. So 13 into 3 means 39 and denominator 10, 39 by 10. After that, converting into mixed fraction, we are getting 3 9 by 10. So children, this is the value of x which we have got, 3 9 by 10. Next you are going to do these sums in your homework. Okay. Sum number 1, part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And the solved out sums, all these solved out sums you are going to do in your classwork notebook. Okay children. So thank you for today.